everyone. Welcome to Amit tutorial. Today, we are delving into the fascinating world of Java, a programming language that has left an indelible mark on the software development landscape. Hi, I'm Amit Baghel, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's explore the wonders of Java in this video. So, agenda of this video is first we will give introduction of Java. We'll discuss the origins of Java, its creators, and initial purpose. Next, we will discuss the key features of Java like platform independence, object-oriented programming, and portability. Next, we will discuss the role of Java in web development. We'll highlight frameworks like Spring, Servlets, and JSP. Next, we will discuss the role of Java in mobile development. We'll explore Java's role in Android app development. Next, we will understand the workings of the Java virtual machine. Next, we will discuss the collaborative evolution of Java through community participation. And in the end, we will summarize the exploration and highlight Java's global impact. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our tech-filled content. Now, let's dive into the question, what is Java? Java, often hailed as the right ones, run anywhere language, is a versatile, object-oriented programming language that has stood the test of time. Developed by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems in the mid-90s, Java was initially designed for embedded systems. However, its portability and scalability soon made it a go-to choice for a wide range of applications. The beauty of Java lies not just in its syntax, but in its ability to run on any device that has a Java Virtual Machine, JVM. This write once, run anywhere concept has made Java indispensable in the world of software development. Now, let's explore some key features that make Java unique and powerful. Firstly, Java is platform independent. Code written in Java can run on any device with a compatible JVM, providing a level of flexibility that's crucial in today's diverse tech landscape. Another standout feature is object orientation. Java follows the object-oriented programming paradigm, emphasizing the use of classes and objects. This promotes code organization, reusability, and modularity. Portability is another feather in Java's cap. Once you write your Java code, you can run it on Windows, Linux, macOS, or any other platform with minimal adjustments. Java's impact extends beyond standalone applications. It has a significant presence in web development. With frameworks like Spring and technologies like Servlets and JSP, Java Server Pages, Java has become a powerhouse for building robust, scalable web applications. The ability to create dynamic, server-side content with Java has made it a go-to choice for many enterprises seeking reliable and high-performance solutions. Java has also left its mark on the mobile development landscape. The Android operating system, powering a significant portion of the world's smartphones, relies heavily on Java. Android app development often involves Java, making it a key language for mobile developers. Java's portability shines here too, allowing developers to write code that can run seamlessly across various Android devices. Now, let's unravel the magic behind Java's platform independence, the Java Virtual Machine, JVM. The JVM acts as a bridge between your Java code and the underlying hardware. It interprets your code and translates it into machine code that the hardware can understand. This abstraction layer shields developers from the intricacies of different operating systems and hardware architectures, allowing them to focus on writing code rather than worrying about compatibility. The success of Java is not only attributed to its technical capabilities, but also to its vibrant community and rich ecosystem. The Java Community Process, JCP, ensures that Java evolves collaboratively, with contributions from developers worldwide. This open and inclusive approach has kept Java at the forefront of technological advancements. The Java ecosystem boasts a plethora of libraries, frameworks, and tools, making it a treasure trove for developers. Whether you are working on enterprise-level applications, data science, or IoT, there's likely a Java tool to make your life easier. So, what does the future hold for Java? Java continues to evolve with each version, introducing new features, performance enhancements, and security updates. The introduction of Project Loom for concurrent programming and Project Panama for better native integration are just glimpses of the exciting future ahead. In conclusion, Java is not just a programming language, it's a global phenomenon that has shaped the digital landscape. From web development to mobile apps, Java's adaptability and reliability make it a language worth mastering. If you enjoyed this journey through the world of Java, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding and thank you.